भाइ फेरि प्लेनै जाला फेरि गइरहेको
is like angry like anything.
Cool.
She's like a celebrity photographer. She's showing me her stomach.
Hey.
How is this 40 minutes?
I'll kill you.
Adios, sister.
We made it.
We have it. Yeah. Used to be the friend of mine. My pleasure.
सबैलाई एकचोटि यतै भन्नु को हुन्छ
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? We're here in Pokhara, the land of lakes. Is that right? I'm making it up.
Yeah.
No, I just had the city of lakes. I just had an incredible, I had like a whole presentation on the history of Pokhara and tourism, and I feel like there's a lot to see here. And I saw 2 books in the library in there that I'm very interested in: History of Nepal and another history book. So as you can see, I'm here for that. But we're excited. We're gonna see the sunset. I'm very happy. See, I got my vibes right.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what's new. Rupakot.
Is that the area we're in right now? I'm sorry that I didn't know. Teach me.
I'm the director of the resort. So.
Okay, I understood that. I got that. Oh, you said the name of the resort. Okay, give me a second.
Rupakot is the village.
Is the village, thank you.
The village here. So Rupakot Resort, we just gave
Rupa
the quote.
Kota? Can you tell me the sunset and meaning of that?
You know the meaning of quote? Should hang out with this guy.
You know a bunch of history stuff?
Yeah, I'm more into traveling and here and there in about Nepal.
What's your
So Rishabh.
Rishabh.
Yeah.
Raja. Nice to meet
His
you.
nickname is Cycle.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna ask a bunch of questions.
Sure.
I'm ready out.
No.
Make a rope out of it. Thank you. Splash? Splash? Why stress? It's too good, yeah? It's
Okay. Pastor, which room are you in?
503.
506. Harish. 506. What is this? Your key. It's so far. Go tell them that.
Yeah, you have your priorities straight.
Well, one of the rooms.
Yeah.
505? No, 505? Yeah. Here? Mira! A history of Nepal! I'm finally given the thing I wanted.
कादाको बिल्डिङसँग खिच्नु पऱ्यो क्या मन पऱ्यो मलाई एकदमै जहिले एड आउँथ्यो त्यो लाइन्सको
That is the mad candle energy.